Watts. I'm 40 years old, and I'm from Patterson, Washington. I was getting sciatica so bad it was clear down my right leg, and it was actually starting to go down my left leg. It had numbness in both my feet. It's hard to get in and out of tractors and those sort of things, and I'm also pretty active in snowmobiling, and I'm a competitive shooter. I mean, all those things were starting to get to where I couldn't do them anymore. I just was in a tremendous amount of pain. I was having to take 2 or 3 muscle relaxers a day and Tylenol and everything else just to deal with it. I've been through the steroid injection process. I've been to physical therapy, and none of that stuff had really worked. And I talked to some other doctors about, more invasive surgery, and when I called over and talked to Dr. Kamson, I just kind of felt like this was a place where I needed to go, and I kind of felt really comfortable with what he had to say on the phone to me. It's very professional. The surgical process was very organized, and I would recommend it to anybody. Basically, I had 2 ruptured discs in my lower back, the L4 and L5. Went in there with the minimally invasive laser and trimmed those off. And the other issue that was going on with me was my spinal canal was fairly tight through there, which is a form of spinal stenosis, and they went in there and relieved that tension to get all my nerves back to where they weren't pinched anymore. Yep, I got a 20 and a 22-year-old son and daughter, and I actually have a 2.5-year-old granddaughter, so I was getting where I couldn't hardly lift her and carry her around, for any kind of amount of time with my granddaughter. About the first month at home, just kind of doing light stuff around the house, and in the last 30 days just kind of gotten back to where I can get out and get on the farm and be with my guys, and I'm back out in the field pretty much just real light lifting right now. But as far as all my pain that was there, it's 100% gone that I had before the surgery. In fact, I got out of the surgery, and my parents and my wife were here, and we went and had lunch at Applebee's, and I had all the tension that was in my legs was gone as soon as I came back out of surgery. Yeah, I'm going to return to my snowmobiling again next winter, and get a little rehab through the summer, get strength back, and I've already returned back to competitive shooting last week, so that's been nice to get back in that. If you have some back pain, I would recommend that you give Dr. Kamson and his crew a call, and I would recommend this process to anybody.